no pirates.
To your left by stepping away.
Are you ready for adventure, baby?
Sure am.
Because that's where we're headed right now. Adventureland. There's the tiki room. Moana hanging out. Frontierland. Hello, fellow kids. Okay, ready? All right, let's go. Oh, no pirates. Look at the fake river they got over there. That's cute, huh? It's the most wrinkly river. Yeah. What does that mean? To ourselves? Oh. Oh man. Well, I'm sick. It's the longest I've ever waited in line for Haunted Mansion. We're at the Haunted Mansion. And this is one of, if not my favorite ride. So when I was young, this is like the first ride I actually remember getting on. They tricked me. They told me there was candy and hamburgers in there. Candy and hamburgers. I was 2 years old. I wanted candy and hamburgers. I didn't get it. I didn't get candy and hamburgers. I got 999 gold.
You didn't get what?
They told me there was candy and hamburgers in there on my first time on this ride.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, that's how they tricked me to get on. But no, instead of candy and hamburgers, 999 gold. Serious. But now it's like I said, my favorite ride. It's my fondest memory as a child of Disney. Getting tricked to get on this ride that I now love.
Here we go. Are you ready? Yeah. It's about to be scary. Oh, it's scary. Come on.
When hinges creak in doorless chambers, and strange and frightening sounds echo through the hall, and the candlelights flicker where the air is deathly still, that is the time when ghosts are present, practicing their terror with ghoulish delight. Welcome to the Haunted Mansion. I am your host, your ghost host. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now. Our tour begins here in this gallery, where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state.
Just view the portraits above, step away from the wall.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they
Yeah, they're all behind me still?
Yeah. Yeah.
Ladies folks, have been about our tour. Please remain seated in your down on the safety bar. I will now report and heed this warning. The spirits will materialize only if you remain safely seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children.
It almost hit her.
Really?
Luckily my hand was there.
Permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuide a los pequeñitos. Y ahora, prepárese.
That was pretty quick, right? That wasn't 40 minutes.
No, not at all.
We find it delightfully unlivable here in this ghostly retreat. Every room has wall-to-wall creeps, and hot and cold running chills. Listen.
By ringing a bell. Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for you, swinging awake. They'll be expecting me. I'll see you all a little later. They'll be expecting me.
Love scary stuff, or she's gonna be like traumatized. Get the ghost over here. Keep it on it, keep it on it.
Having around our tour. Please remain seated in your new
He doesn't like this angle. How do you go so live?
of hitchhiking ghosts.
Let's see what she does now.
They have selected you to fill our cases, and they'll haunt you until you return. Now I will raise the safety bar, and a ghost will follow you home.
She's not even looking. She's looking over there.
Like, what's going on? Record her face here.
Please exit to your left by stepping away from the cars.
Be sure to bring death.
Certificate.
Can we get one? How do you get one?